Hello, I'm Becky and I'll show you how to make a stuffed bouquet. Here are the materials that you needed. You need to have a 4 inches stuffed toy, at least 6 pieces, 9, 12, or 24 pieces. Balloon stick and a balloon cup. Some of the people use stick or aluminum wire, but I preferred this material because it's more convenient and it's more easy. Don't forget thread and a needle. Tape and also a tape dispenser. Scissor. The bouquet wrapper is paper type. For bouquet wrapper, it's up to you. What would you like to use? If you think that this color is good for the panda, then you can use it. But if you prefer other color, it's also possible. Lastly, it's the ribbon. For the ribbon, it also depends on the bouquet wrap they're going to use. For this one, since I'm using shade of pink of wrapper, then we're gonna use pink or purple. So all the materials are here. Let's go and let's make the bouquet. First, you have to sew the stuffed toy and the balloon cup. So that's why you need the thread and a needle for you to do that. Here we go. If you notice, I'm going to sew each side or 4 sides of the balloon cup to make it sure that the stuffed toy will not fall while doing the bouquet, and also after you made the bouquet. Once that you think that it's already secured and it will not fall from it, then you need to knot the thread here. So see, it's not moving. You need a scissor, cut it. So after that you saw the stuffed toy and the balloon cup, then you're going to use now the balloon stick. So if you notice, I already cut the balloon stick into different sizing. So some of it it's longer, some of it it's smaller. Because of course, if you're making bouquet, it will be arranged accordingly. So for this one, I'm going to use the smaller part. Need the tape. Tape it in. Okay. And then after that, I also cut several pieces of the bouquet wrap. It depends what's the measurement that you're going to use. So this will serve as the petal if you wrap around on the panda stuffed toy. Hold it, wrap it around. Once you're satisfied with the formations of the petal, then tape. Okay. Most of the time what I do is I normally sew first the stuffed toy and then the balloon cup before putting the balloon stick and putting the petals. But right now I'm already showing you on how to make in one whole. I'm doing it all, the 9 pieces. Using tape dispenser is really convenient doing this. So I highly recommend that you have a tape dispenser. The people who make the bouquet, they use glue gun, but I don't recommend glue gun. Once that you want to remove the stuffed toy from the bouquet, it will ruin. So it's really recommended to sew the stuffed toy. Yes, I know it takes time, but it's more worth it afterwards. But if you're in a hurry, then you can use the glue gun, it's okay. If you're in a rush, you don't have time. Okay, it's done. Look, it's pretty, isn't it? Look at it, it's pretty. Okay, so since it's done, then we're going to wrap the panda. We're going to arrange now the bouquet. So so if you notice, that's the reason why that this balloon stick has different sizing, because some of it it's on the top and some of it it's on the lower. For arranging the bouquet or the stuffed toy, it's up to you how do you arrange it to make it more good. So right now, I'm just showing you just the basic on how to make the stuffed toy bouquet. This is just the base. Tape. You have to make sure that the balloon stick and the stuffed toy is not moving. I'm putting a lot of tape. You see, this is just the base or the background. And then you're going to get the other shades of pink that we're going to use. For this bouquet, I'm going to use pink and cream color. So for the folding of the bouquet wrap, it's up to you. How do you do it? So for me, normally it's doing it randomly. Simple design that you can do. So everyone can make the stuffed toy bouquet. Then the other half. For panda bouquet, some of the people use black white. It will make the panda much better. Okay, here. Okay, another shades of pink. The shades. There are different kinds of bouquet wrapper. I think this is about 25 per pieces. And then for this, it's 15 pesos or 12 pesos. It's up to you what type of bouquet wrapper that you're going to use. It makes the bouquet more elegant. For this area, you need to cut those excess balloon cap so it look better. I'm going to add this type of bouquet wrapper. For this kinds of bouquet wrap, it's up to you if you want to put it to make it more elegant, the bouquet. Some only use paper bouquet wrap. I will now use the ribbon to tie it. There. This is the finished product of the stuffed toy bouquet, and for this, it's just a simple design. You can make the ribbon much better, but what I did is only just tying it, but definitely you can make or buy good one. What do you think? It's pretty? This is the finished product of the panda bouquet. This is 9 pieces of a stuffed toy. I also made some 6 pieces stuffed toy bouquet sample. So this is stitch, a combination of blue stitch and pink stitch. And I wrap it up with a purple or shades of purple color. And then there's another one. This is BT21 character. Combinations of the different characters. I use shades of blue. If you have a suggestion, comment below what character, what color of the bouquet, and I'll make a video for it. Like chocolates, flowers, other stuff like character. If you also want a single character bouquet, then I can make it. Just comment below. If you think that this is useful, click like. If you think that this panda bouquet is pretty, please press thumbs up buttons. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow all the videos that I'm going to make. Thank you, bye!